I'm not comfortable speaking English because my friends always laugh at me when I make some mistakes. They always make me feel so bad about my English. I don't know what to do. Are you a person who have undergone such a bitter experience in your life? Frankly, I can tell you there are many people who share the similar experience with me. So, in this video, I'm going to speak about this topic and I'm going to tell you what you have to do in such a situation. People are going to laugh at you. Yes, they will laugh at you. And you need to accept that. But at the same time, you don't want to accept that. So, what do I mean? You need to accept that because a lot of people are really stupid. So you should not worry about what they do and what they think about you. Secondly, sometimes the things you say when you make a mistake are funny. It's not funny because you made a mistake. Sometimes people are not laughing at you. People are not laughing at you because your English is bad. People are laughing because you said something funny. For example, many people in this place where I do live now are unable to say the word peanuts. So when they say this word, it sounds like a penis. I like to eat penis. Okay. So when I hear this, I might laugh. But I am not laughing at them. I'm laughing because they said something funny. I can tell you honestly that I do not usually laugh when that happens because I know it happens many a time, yeah, and I understand the mistake. Okay. But if it happens in your life, if somebody laughs at you, you can just ask them directly, why are you laughing? Did I say something funny? Then they can explain it to you clearly. Okay. But some maybe if they are telling like this, oh nothing, your English is too bad. It's so funny. Then you can just tell them to go fuck themselves. But if they are your friends, before telling them to go fuck themselves, you should say, you don't do this because you are my friend. Why are you laughing at me? You know, I'm struggling a lot to learn English. This is very difficult for me, but at the same time, it's very important for me. If you cannot help me, you have no right to laugh at me. Okay, don't do this because you are my friend. Still, even if you say this, still they keep on mocking at you, laughing at you, then you can tell them to go fuck themselves because they are not your friends. If they are your friends, if they are your real friends, they won't do it anymore. So basically, some people are going to laugh at you always. They are stupid. You should not worry about them. Some people are laughing at you because you said something funny, so you have to understand that. Probably you will also laugh, and eventually it makes the learning process so funny. When your friends make fun of you, laugh at you, you can tell them directly, stop laughing at me. I don't like this. I don't like this. Your laughing makes me feel so bad. If they are your real friends, they will listen to you, they will stop, and they will not do it anymore. If they are not your real friends, they will keep on laughing at you, and you can tell them to go fuck themselves.